In this morning's New Zealand Herald headlines, concerns grow over the link between ADHD and drug use. Shocking footage emerges of a crash in Auckland, and the Prime Minister hints at a solution for Interislanders' woes. Atamaria, I'm Sherry Kinnear. It's Tuesday, the 1st of October. A lack of ADHD diagnoses in New Zealand is likely leading to significant drug harm. A new report from the Drug Foundation says people with the disorder are more likely to develop substance abuse, especially with alcohol and nicotine. It concludes these people are also more likely to die early, especially if their condition goes unmanaged. Foundation Executive Director Sarah Helm says failures to diagnose ADHD are being felt throughout the health sector.
That can result in costs from addiction treatment through to having to treat cancers and organ damage. It's also a very inhumane approach to this disorder.
October's here and bringing with it a suite of changes. The International Visitor Conservation and Tourism Levy is increasing from $35 to $100. Pay parity will no longer be extended to ECE relief teachers, and people misusing disabled car parks will be stung with a harsher fine. As well, free supplies of COVID-19 rat tests come to an end today, while new funded medical treatments are available. Pharmax funding's kicking in for 2 cancer drugs, as well as insulin pumps and continuous glucose monitors. Terrifying footage has emerged of a car allegedly driving at excessive speed and crashing into the fence of an Auckland church. 4 people were injured and arrested after the vehicle crashed in Mount Wellington early on Monday. Police say officers signalled for a vehicle to stop in Pakuranga at 2:52 a.m. and followed its path from a helicopter after it sped off. Police elected not to pursue the vehicle before it crashed. There's strong support from the infrastructure sector for more road tolls. The government is switching gears and focusing on infrastructure. It's laid out 43 goals, including looking into increasing the use of road tolling. Infrastructure New Zealand Chief Executive Nick Leggett says it's an absolute must to improve road maintenance.
We can't just keep building roads and then trying to magic up the dollars to pay for them. It's really important that we charge the users more directly so we know what demand actually is.
And the Prime Minister is signalling a solution to the Interislander saga by the end of the year. In July, Finance Minister Nicola Willis told our newsroom the public would find out the plan for the ferries once ministers had made a decision, which he expected to be by the end of the quarter, ending yesterday. But last week, Willis said Cabinet hadn't discussed the proposals. Chris Luxon says the timeline's been signposted and that the government's evaluating ministerial advice. And those are the latest New Zealand Herald headlines. For more news worth knowing, head to nzherald.co.nz. Kia pai te rā. Thanks for watching this New Zealand Herald Focus video. To stay up to date, click the subscribe button below or check out some of our other videos here and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more news worth knowing.